Hi guys, this is the original Rudegal, and if you want to get this look, this smoky amethyst look, just stay tuned. Again, this is the 365 challenge in beauty tutorials, and this month we are utilizing the Pat McGrath Celestial Divinity palette. I am showing you multiple looks, and we're going to do this for the whole month of January. So if you're curious to see what I come up with, stay tuned. And again, guys, it's the original Rudegal making new videos daily for this 365 challenge. Make sure you like and comment about so far the 4 looks. What do you like? Are you even interested in getting the Pat McGrath Celestial Divinity palette? I will tell you is one of her least expensive palettes, being $78. But as you see, you can go either neutral if you look at my looks for day 1 to day 2, or you can go smoky. This is, like I said, a smoky amethyst look that can be utilized at any evening event. Of course, you may want to pair it with a nude lip. I just went for a glossy amethyst lip just to complement the eyes. But again, it's makeup, and just have fun and enjoy it. Again, this is the original Rudegal. Also, make sure you follow me on RudegyalCommentary, where I give inspirational thoughts for this 365 journey, because this is a very pivotal point in my career. I will be changing careers. So if you're curious to see what the Lord has in store for me, I'll link it down in the description box below. And again, Rudy, thank you for joining me. And this is day 4 of the 365 challenge and look number 4. Hope y'all have a great evening, and let me get ready for work, or for bed, so I can get ready to go to work tomorrow in like 4 hours. Yes, guys. Bye-bye.